Oh, hey, hey, that was fun shopping yesterday. Yeah, much better than listening to Teddy Vegas. Yes. Oh, do you have any more thoughts about um, Teddy Vegas? No, just let's see. Uh, because it was fun making fun of the things we don't like about Teddy Vegas. Okay, I'll see. Let me think. He is he doesn't like what's happening in his body. He doesn't like what's happening in society. He doesn't like what's happening in his body. He doesn't like what's happening in his society. He doesn't like what's happening in his body. He doesn't like what's happening in his society. Blah blah blah. Moving in direction of correction and correction. Wait, what does he say? Moving in the direction of correction and connection and affection and not inspection or infection. Blee, 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 blee. Let's start an insurrection. That makes sense. We really do need to take control. We do have the power. We have the power. I guess we could do our own video without Teddy Vegas. Of course, in place of Teddy Vegas. Whoa! Whoa! The foundation of my existence feels shaken by that. He always says, be the media you seek. Be the media you seek. Blah, blah, blah. When he's not saying, tag team status of body and mind. I don't know what's happening in my body. Fingers, toes, nostrils crossed. Blah, 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 blah. What's the other thing he's always saying? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Hashtag blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, maybe we should do our own video. What would we talk about? Shopping? I think shopping is better activity than thing to talk about. Better to do the shopping than talk about the shopping. I guess. Um, let's ask. Let's ask someone else. Let's ask your daughter. She's not here. Oh, but my granddaughter's here. Hold on. Hi. Are you Matroisa's granddaughter? Yeah. What do you like? Candy. Candy. And just candy? Like, what else do you like? We're trying to think of things to talk about on our show, in case we replace Teddy Vegas' show. Oh, well, I like Hegel. I read a lot of Hegel. What? Yeah, I don't know why. But I am very interested in the science of logic. Whoa, that's something Teddy Vegas bores us about. Oh, maybe I should watch him. Huh, that's weird. Okay, let me talk to your mother. Have a great day. Enjoy the candy and the whatever, the Hegel. Your granddaughter says she likes the Hegel. And maybe she'd like the Teddy Vegas. Oh, that's weird. Huh. Well, takes all kinds. Well, um, I see. Maybe we could talk about the just have the just talk about things we don't like about just making fun of Teddy Vegas. Okay, I guess that's pretty good because it's kind of we have a lot of material there. Yeah, just boring the blessed and sustaining words, the blessed and sustaining words. Blessed and sustaining words, blessed and sustaining words, blessed and sustaining words. We should change it. We should make it the blessed and sustaining birds. That's silly.